Okay, welcome back to the tutorial. On today's video, we're going to talk about Sentry Mode and everything you need to do to get it all set up. So first, let's start with inside your car. When you're in your car, you can see you're under settings. You go down to safety and security, and then you're going to come up here to Sentry Mode. It's actually a scroll down. You'll find it by scrolling down. And what happens is you're going to obviously turn it on. And what Sentry Mode is going to do is allow the car to record any happenings that come around your car. So I have mine set to exclude home because mine's in my garage and I really don't need to know when someone walks past it to get the milk. But I do have it set to work at while I'm at work, and then also you can set favorite places where it automatically turns off, maybe your parents' house or something like that. But I have that all set there. Also, there's an option here for dash cam to save clips on honk, and that pretty much works the way it says. If you honk your horn, then it saves the clip. And it's kind of one of those things where maybe you're off in traffic and someone slams their brakes on in front of you and you're about to hit them and you're honking your horn. Well, it's going to automatically record that whole episode right there. So now before we get to how to set up your little portable flash drive, zip drive, whatever the kids are calling it nowadays, how the dash cam works is when you got your little flash drive all set up, your camera's going to look just like that, meaning it's ready to go. You got the little red dot up there in the corner and it just means it's all ready to go. So if you're driving down the road and something happened, okay, well, what you want to do is kind of wait a few minutes because it's going to record the last 10 minutes. When you tap that button, it's going to record the last 10 minutes of what just happened all around your car with all the cameras. So watch what happens here when I press it. It says save footage or launch viewer. I'm gonna click save footage, and you can see there it says saving dash cam footage. Car must be in park to view. That's one of the newer features that have come recently to the Tesla, is you can then view everything that happened all around you. So for example, now to view it, you're gonna come right back here to the same exact thing, hit launch viewer, and you can see here you got your front camera here, which is what we're looking at right there. You've got the left, and then you've got the right, and you've got the rear cameras all available right there. You can come up here to the little menu button and you can see some of your previous videos of when you hit it. You got the Sentry view, which is all the stuff that happened without you telling it to record it. And then you got the dash cam ones, which is the ones that you manually recorded. So how do you get this all set up? Well, you need to have a little flash drive. There's a lot of opinions about which ones work the best. I've always used this one right here, which is the little SanDisk one, and it allows me to plug it into an app on my phone to view the footage. This is again back before we had the ability to do it right out of the car, but it also allows me to save it to my phone and then share it to my computer for videos or send it off to a friend or whatever. But this one's worked extremely well for me. I've had it for 7 months. The link is already down in the description below down there. I know a lot of people have picked it up and used it. There's also a lot of people that say don't use stuff like this, get an actual external hard drive type thing that can handle stuff in and out a lot faster. You have a lot of data going in and data coming out, data going in, data coming out. So there's been noted that some of these might burn out a little bit. I'm not an expert on this. This video is not about which one of these to use. It's more or less how to just set it up. All I can tell you is this has worked phenomenal for me. So there's that. But all you have to do is just set this thing up in your computer. You plug it in your computer. You want to make sure it's formatted at FAT32. You're going to go into the drive. You're going to simply create a folder called TeslaCam. Eject the folder, take it, put it right back into your car, and you're good to go. So now watch as I plug it in. You wait a few minutes after it's plugged in and you'll see it just a pop right up there next to your Sentry View icon. See, there you go. Now you know you're ready to go. If you don't see that icon, that means you did it wrong. So then take it back out and start again. This over here is your Sentry View notification. That red dot on there means that it is enabled. If I tap it here, that means it's disabled. The red dot is now gone. There's not a lot to this, and there's probably more we could talk about, but that's really the most you need to know. It's there to protect you. It works really well. You can now view it in the car. You need to get a little flash drive. You need to add a folder to it called TeslaCam. Put that in your car, and you're good to go. I hope that helps. See you guys on the next video.
Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. If you haven't already, please take a second and like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more and more content. So here's what you can expect. Every week my goal is to put out 3 videos. The next one in the tutorial series, an autopilot driving challenge video, as well as a product review. So now I just want to thank my patrons. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for believing in me and supporting this channel. And if you're looking for some accessories for your Model 3 or your Model Y, just go down below in the description. I've got codes to all kinds of products down there to save you a bunch of money while you're tricking out your car. Thanks again. See you soon.